In today's regulatory landscape, reporting obligations like OSFI's liquidity coverage ratio, BCAR, and operational risk returns are complex, time-sensitive, and Excel-based. Banks spend days reconciling data from multiple sources, and it's mostly manual process. It's prone to errors. Missed deadlines? That's costly. But with BankingBook Analytics or BBA, regulatory returns are automated 700 times faster, with zero errors. So, here's how our AI-powered tool works, in 3 simple steps. Step 1. Data upload. Clients simply upload raw files to a secure SharePoint portal provided by BBA. Our system automatically detects uploads and notifies us right away. Step 2. AI-powered model processing. Our tool loads each dataset into the control panel. From level 1 to stress testing, every step is click and go. Step 3. Dashboard and reports creation. Our tool creates instant reports and dashboards fully aligned with OSFI. Once generated, they're automatically uploaded to the client's secure SharePoint portal, ready for download, review, and submission. The client is automatically notified when reports are ready for download. Why BankingBook Analytics? You get a unified automation platform for all data sources, no more reporting silos. Automate compliance with our tool as Basel III and IV, IFRS 9, BCAR are built in. Real-time dashboards for treasury, risk, and capital. Plus, an end-to-end audit trail and bank-grade encryption. What once took days now takes minutes. No missed deadlines. No reconciliation headaches. Just clean, compliant reporting. At BankingBook Analytics, we don't sell the tool, we deliver the outcomes. Let your finance team focus on strategy, not spreadsheets. Start your error-free journey today. Book a custom demo.